Started. Car started. Are you scared? Now you go sit there. I'm coming. Who started the car?
I.
Why did you start?
Because you come and sit.
You want me to come and sit? Okay, I'm coming. Hello everybody, I'm driving car. Here, this is 2nd of February 2018 and my wife Khushbu Singh, my son Akshat Singh and I'm Chandan Singh. I'm driving car, they both are sitting, my wife is capturing my video and I'm going to take my wife and my son to Noida Stadium to teach them how to drive car. Basically my wife will learn how to drive car but my son also tries and he also wants to put his hands on the steering. So I'm going to take them and here you can see I'm turning the car and trying to enter the premises of Noida Stadium. Here I have entered. This is Noida Stadium. It is in sector 21A and now I will allow them to drive car. Now it's turn of Khushbu Singh.
Hello.
Now Khushbu is going to learn how to drive car. So are you okay with your legs and all?
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. This is gear 1 she has taken. Now come on. Oh, car stopped. Do neutral. Okay. Started. Changing the gear. Yes. Now start. Start slowly. Oh, started. She started the car. Now the car is going. We are here at Noida Stadium. She is driving the car. Take 2 number gear there. 2 number. She has taken 2 number. Now she has again started. She's driving. Wow. Oh, handle. Steering properly. Now what will you do? Brake. Okay, here. Brake. And clutch and neutral. Please do neutral. Okay.
Action.
Akshay, what are you doing? Girl Baji, don't talk. Do like this. Style mark this. हाँ कैसे घुमा भी कैसे लेता है ये? हाँ ना बड़े की तरह नहीं ऐसे करते हैं। हाँ खुशी दी will hold. तेरे पर तो
ले अब बच्चे वाली तो हमने ले ये रखिए सबूत।
ना
डांटने से है।
घुमाए चला देना।
मेरे को चिल्ला रहा है ना।
You want to get down? What do you want? अब फोटो खिंचा रहा है वो।
You tow it. फिर से वीडियो बनाना चालू ताकि मेमोरी याद रहे। हेलो एवरीबॉडी।
हाँ, सबसे ज़्यादा इसी का लो।
Okay. This is 3rd February 2018. The day is Saturday, and Tanudi has come here. We all are gathered, and we are just having a small get-together party, a kind of food party. It's not like that kind of party.
पार्टी बोला थी।
And there is no occasion. This is just the welcoming Tanuja Didi. This is welcoming Tanuja Didi. It's simple. And this is Aman. He has grown up. Whenever he watches his video, he always gets surprised that I was like this. So now he is like this in 2018. When he watches this video in 2019, he will be surprised to see this picture in this photo as well. So he is eating something. And this is Khushi.
Hi.
Hi Khushi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So how old are you? You don't know? Okay. Fine. And this is Tanu. हाँ जी, कैसा लग रहा है? टेस्टी बना है खाना?
हाँ, बहुत टेस्टी बना है।
अच्छा। हाँ, इसका तो है ही नहीं ढंग से ना, बात करते हुए तो सही नहीं।
इसी से करवा खूब बात।
किसी वीडियो में नहीं है,
किसी भी ढंग से नहीं है। ठीक है, खाइए।
एक आध गो है।
आई होप आप अच्छी हो जाए, सबकी दुआएं हैं अच्छी हो जाए जल्द से जल्द।
फिर इसी तरह आके बैठ के
तो
मार्च में
एंजॉय करें।
What are you eating?
I don't know what I'm eating.
Okay, this is, let me see. This is, what is this? This is snacks, I think. Oh, are you enjoying? Who gave you this?
Mama. Mama can snack on the bed and I came and just started.
Very
And
good.
also and I started to strengthen.
Okay. This is Khushbu Singh. She's riding the cycle on 11th February 2018. She's learning. She said that she already knows. Now she's trying. She has come to Noida Stadium. I have given 10 rupees for this cycle, the 3rd class cycle we have got. And now she is riding. It means she has learned how to ride. She already knows that. The condition of the cycle is not up to the mark. It's dilapidated condition. Oh, she has gone far flung. She's riding. Now she's about to turn, see? She's about to turn. Akshat, your mama is riding cycle. What do you have to say? What is your mama doing?
She's riding cycle. Fall down.
She will fall down.
Mama, don't ride cycle, you otherwise you will fall down.
If she falls down, then what will happen?
मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा, मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा, मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा.
What are you doing?
I'm singing a song.
Which song are you singing?
मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा.
Do you like this song?
मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा, मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा.
So this is 14th February 2018, and my son Akshat Singh, he is singing a song. Next month he will be 4 years old, and he knows how to sing a song. Do you like this song, baby? Okay.
मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा, मैं फिर भी तुमको जाऊंगा.
And Akshat is nude. Akshat is nude. Akshat is nude. You are not wearing anything.
I'm going to that card now for the finish.
Okay.
Now you know study in the mobile.
And what are you going to do?
I'm going to drive this auto car.
You're going to drive the car. Okay, drive.
I'm going to drive my car.
Do you know how to drive the car?
Hmm.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, now we will play. Okay? Ready? Come. Yeah, throw at me. Whoa! We are playing.
Yeah. Wow.
And see, listen to the rule of the game. The first rule is this: if you drop your football, then I will beat you 2 times. And if I drop, then you have to beat me 2 times. Okay? Are you ready with this? Do you agree? Okay. Do you agree to this proposal? Do you agree to this rule? Okay. Hold it. You dropped it. Now I will beat you. Yay! I will beat you. Yeah. I have beaten it 2 times. What is the date today? It's 17. It's 17, I think. Hello everybody, this is 17th February 2018. My name is Chandan Singh. I'm playing with my son Akshat Singh, and we are enjoying this moment as well as capturing this moment so that when he grows up, he won't believe that he used to do this kind of activities. He used to play with us. He won't believe. He will ask couple of questions. Oh, how was I? Did I really used to play with you? This kind of questions he will ask when he grows up. So now I can show, when he grows up, I can show this video, this moment which is being captured right now. So here, this is the football and I'm playing with him. Akshat, do you want to say something? You want to say something? What are you doing here? What are you doing?
I'm standing.
Standing? And are you playing with me? Okay, hold it. Okay, ready? Now, give me. I'll catch. Oh! Come on. Oh, again you dropped it. Now again I'll beat you. As per the rule, I have to beat him because he has dropped. Yep. 1, 2. Are you enjoying? Okay. Get on. Come on, yeah. Take. Come. Oh yeah. Come on, catch it. Oh yeah. I got it. I got it.
And don't make the football through, but I can't catch it.
Oh, you don't want me to throw the football up in high. Okay.
Don't throw the football in high.
Okay. So you can't catch, yeah? Okay. Throw at me. You dropped it again. Hey! Now I'll beat you because you dropped it. Come. Yeah. 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 What happened? You will fall down. See, do you want to say something to the viewers? Do you want to say something to the people who are watching us? Do you want to say something? You can't say anything. Are you happy with this game? Okay. Shall I drop you? Huh? Shall I drop you? If I drop you, you'll fall down. Okay. Okay. Now, which game shall we play? No, this we have played already football game. Now, which game shall we play? We shall play. Oh, we should do some exercises.
No, again we will play football.
Okay, go get the football. Go.
It is under the bed.
Yes, under the bed. Go fast.
Which color masala under the bed?
Don't waste the time. Come on. And don't get up under the bed, otherwise you'll hit your head. Come. Give it to me fast. Come on. Yeah.
Come on.
I got it. You. Come on. Yeah. Can you do like this? Can you do like this? Do. Show me how to do. You do.
But I can't do, but it will fall down.
I will hold it. You just do. Do. You couldn't do it.
Again we will play game football.
Okay.
Again we will play football.
Akshat, what are you doing?
Cleaning the printer.
Are you cleaning the printer? Look at here. What are you doing?
Cleaning the printer.
Okay. Whose printer is this?
Your printer it is.
So you said this is your printer.
This is your printer.
Okay. So, and where is...
Light is coming on the printer.
What happened?
You're showing the light on the printer.
Okay. And what is this?
You're showing the light on my jacket.
Yes. Okay. Now you should clean the UPS. Clean the UPS.
This.
Yes, that's UPS clean. What is the date today? You
I
don't?
don't know what is the date today.
It's 18th February 2018. And you know the date Sunday. And this is... How old are you, baby?
I'm 3 years old.
Now next month on 25th March you will be 4 years old.
4 years old.
Yes, understood? Yeah, next month you will be 4 years old. So do you enjoy cleaning the computer? That's really good. And see, this is CPU. See, who has cleaned the CPU? Who has cleaned the CPU?
I will clean it.
No, I have already cleaned. Why are you cleaning again?
I will clean. I have to clean it.
Okay, clean.